Hey, what's going on, everyone? A few weeks ago, someone had asked me, how do you add your watermark to your photos? So I'm going to show you how I do it here in Lightroom. And it doesn't matter if you're using vertical photos or horizontal. I'm going to show you with both sizes of photos. I'm just going to pick some photos here. This is from WNBA All-Star Weekend that I went to recently. I'm just going to select a few different size photos here. Let's see. Alright, that should be good enough. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to click on export, and I'm brought up with this window. Those of you that use Lightroom, you know what this window does. I'm going to make it very simple. I'm just going to scroll down to the section that says watermarking right here. Click it, and if you don't have any watermarks or logos here, you click on edit watermarks. In the upper right here, you click on choose. And I'm gonna click on my logos here. I have in a test folder, and this is my swiftphotos.net logo. Those of you all that follow me, you see my logo. So I'm gonna increase it probably to about 11 right here on the watermark effects. I'm gonna change it to the anchor point. I'm gonna have in the middle. I'm gonna rotate it horizontal. I'm gonna have it kind of on the edge, but make sure I can still maintain all the information, nothing gets cut off. And then from there, I'll hit save. I'll just name it test for now. I'm gonna click on create, and at the top here where it says export location, I just have it on my desktop in a test folder. Don't worry about the other menus right now. I'm going to click export, give it a few seconds, and there you go. As you can see, the watermark is placed on every photo here in the same location. Thanks for watching, everybody.